In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage time off and vacation requests in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to review incoming requests, how to approve or reject them, and how employees can submit new requests using a simple form. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. On the sign-in page, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to log in. Using your work account keeps everything tied to your team's workspace and permissions, which helps ensure the right people can see and manage requests. Once you're in, choose the space you want to work with. A space is your top-level area for a department or team. Inside that space, open the PTO folder. Keeping requests inside a dedicated folder helps standardize the process and keeps HR, managers, and employees aligned. Next, open the time-off request list. This is where the requests live. Switch over to the request channel. Think of this channel as the manager's review area where you can see each incoming request at a glance, including dates, type of leave, and current status. Let's walk through status changes as an example. Open a request and click the status field. Select Approve to mark it as accepted. This makes it clear to everyone that the time off is confirmed and ready to be reflected in team schedules. Now, for demonstration, click Status again and choose Rejected. You'd use this if the request conflicts with staffing needs or doesn't meet policy. When you change statuses, aim to communicate clearly. Note the reason, reference your policy, and set expectations for rescheduling if needed. Now let's show how an employee submits a new request. Go to the Time Off Request Form channel. This is the front door for submissions. Simple, consistent, and trackable. In the form, start with the name field and enter the requester's full name. Next, select the type of request, such as paid time off, vacation, or sick leave, depending on how your options are set up. Choose the start date, then select the end date. These dates define the range the person will be away. There's also a field for the number of days. In some setups, this may calculate automatically. If yours requires manual entry, type the total based on your policy, accounting for weekends and holidays as appropriate. When everything looks correct, click Submit. After submission, the request appears in the Time Off Request list, ready for a manager to review in the request channel and update the status to approved or rejected. Following this flow every time keeps your records consistent, reduces back and forth, and helps your team plan coverage with confidence.